So I don't think that I need to introduce Hyderabad, but you all know that this is located in South India, the capital of Andhra Pradesh. It's very centrally located and it's very well connected. The structure of my presentation is that initial part where I'll try to show the advantages of Hyderabad, the things which Hyderabad is already having. Next part I'll tell a little bit on the government initiatives in trying to make Hyderabad a more livable city and also taking care of the planning aspects of urbanization. And the last few slides will cover the things that are likely to come up in Hyderabad in next 3 to 4 years' time. So as mentioned that Hyderabad is very centrally located and well connected and is the 6th most popular city. And one good thing about Hyderabad is it's a multilingual and multicultural. So it has got true cosmopolitan in outlook. In fact, Hyderabad is a place where north meets the south. And it has got excellent educational facilities, has got a good industrial base, and it has got world-class Medicare also. So these are some of the benefits Hyderabad already offers to the people and also to the investors who are looking towards Hyderabad as an investment destination. In terms of connectivity, you've got the brand new Shamshabad International Airport. It's also very well connected by rail. So all south to northbound and then eastbound, westbound trains pass through Hyderabad. And it's also very well connected through road network also. And there are railways are also looking at increasing the freight and passenger terminals in the times to come. In the new master plan which the Hyderabad Metropolitan Authority has released recently, has reserved certain lands for the upcoming railway facilities. And this is a new international airport. So for 2 consecutive years, it was the best managed airport in the 5 to 15 million passenger category. And Hyderabad also boasts of a very large pool of talented manpower. It has got a large number of educational institutions. The universities are there, engineering colleges are many, and so also the other professional colleges. So there are about 12 universities. A very good research institutions are there. And in terms of Hyderabad alone, it produces about 4 lakh students and close to 13,000 engineering students and other professional students. There are about altogether 28 research institutes, to name few. There we have national institutes and international institutes. So in terms of defense, we have got the country's premier defense research institutes are here. And we have got one space research institute. And the biotech, we have got Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. And then good number of national institutes. Other advantages, I am sure the next speakers also would be talking about. It's a pharma capital. And it's also having one of the country's biological valley. It's called Genome Valley. A good number of research institutions developing different kinds of vaccines and pharma products. And it's an IT hub, and Hyderabad will be soon becoming a aerospace hub also. In the slides to come, I will be presenting that. And it has got very good centers of excellence. So we have got ISB, we have got IIT, and BITS also set up its campus here. And there's a triple IT is there, and NIFT is there. And some of the infrastructure that Hyderabad city has got is really futuristic. One such example is this, the country's longest elevated expressway, the PVNR, named after late Prime Minister Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao. It's about 11.6 kilometers from the center of the city. It connects the National Highway 7, so it really reduces the travel time to our new airport by about 20 to 25 minutes. So some of the government initiatives which have been taken during the last few years is that the earlier Hyderabad has been converted into corporation, is converted into Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. It came into existence in 2007. And this is basically to kind of take care of the growth that is taking place in the peripheral municipalities. We had 10 surrounding municipal towns surrounding the core Hyderabad. So all these have been merged into Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. The area has expanded from something like 164 square kilometers, now it has become close to 650 square kilometers.